Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the type aliases, right? So also we had seen with the very basic examples, mainly defining a type alias and also using type alias for the union types. So today we'll be discussing about the optional properties. So what are optional properties? Optional properties allow an object property to be either present or undefined. So again I'm telling this is very simple to understand. Optional properties allow an object property to be either present or undefined. In TypeScript, we can make use of the question mark, right? This one, basically. Question mark symbol, this one, after the property name to make it optional. Again, I'm telling in TypeScript, we can make use of the question mark or this one after the property name to make it optional, right? So first we will see the example of basic optional property, and then another example we can see this one function with the optional parameters, right? First let's go with the basic optional property. I'll just quickly come here. Let me give here type. Let me consider user. You can consider any this thing name here. You can give any name. I'll just give here user, right? So this is relevant to this example. I'll just quickly give here name of type string and also this one age. Let's make use of the optional property, nothing but the question mark right here. This one age will be of the type number, name will be of the type string, and age is of the type number. So let me quickly come here. Let me make use of the user one here, right? So here let me assign name this one to Bharadwaj 1 here. This is fine, right? So let me come out of this here. Let me log something very quickly. I'll just give here, I have considered user 1, right? Yeah, user 1 dot name. I'll just give here. Let me copy the same thing over here again, this one. Let me come and give here, instead of the name I'll just give here age, right? So I'll just come here. Let me copy the same thing over here. One more this thing object I'll consider. Let me come here, instead of the user 1 I'll just give here user 2. Name I'll just give here instead of Bharadwaj 1 let me give here Bharadwaj 2, right? So this is simple to understand. I'll quickly explain what I have done here. So here age question mark what I have used optional property here. The age property is optional in the user type. We know that here the age property is optional in the user type. Just give me a second here. Did I miss anything here? So yeah, here what I have done along with the name, I'll just give one more thing, age property, right? First one we have considered only this one. What do we call? I have just considered name here. Here I'll just consider age as well. I'll just give here 25, right? So I'll just come here. Let me quickly run the code here. So what error I'm getting here in the line number 7 is one. What I've done here. Oh, this one, sorry. Here, we shouldn't be making use of this one, right? So within the object, we need to make use of the comma. So, so again, I'll quickly explain what I've done here. Then let's check for the code. So here, age question mark. What I have used here, this one age. The age property is optional in the user type, as I have said. User one here. This is not having the age property, so we have to get the output undefined. We are logging the age as well here. You can clearly see, right? We have to get the output undefined, and user 2 includes the age property. Here we can clearly see age. I have set this one to 25. So and its value has to be printed. So the output that we need to get here is one thing, Bharadwaj 1 undefined, Bharadwaj 2 25, right? Let's try running the code here. So yeah, you can clearly see here Bharadwaj 1 undefined. Why we are getting undefined? Because we are trying to log the age of the user 1 where it is not defined at all, right? That is the reason we are getting Bharadwaj 1 undefined. And here again, why user 1 I'm trying to log. Sorry, I'll just change this one to 2 quickly. Let me run this one again. So here we need to get Bharadwaj 2 and 25 age. Correctly we are getting right now. Bharadwaj 1 undefined, Bharadwaj 2 and 25. So I hope the concept of this one, basic optional property, is completely clear. Next, let's see one more example. Nothing but functional with optional parameters. So I'll quickly erase this one. So let me quickly create the function. Function, let me name this one greet, and parameter name will be of the type string. And again, here age, I'll just make use of, it is similar to the previous example itself. I'll just consider here age will be of the type number. I'll be making use of this one optional parameters right here. So let's quickly write one condition, any random condition. If age equals undefined, then let's log something within the strings. Let me give here, or let me make use of this one backticks template literals basically. So I'll just give here within this one, let me give name here. Name is what I have considered, right? Yeah, name is the parameter. And your within this one, I'll just give age within the flower bracket. So age years old, right? This is fine. Else what we will do here, I'll just quickly console log. What shall I log here? I'll just give here hello. Within this one flower bracket, I'll just give here name. So if age is not undefined, means if we have provided the age, if we have given the age, then this one will be printed within the log. And if we have not given the age, then just name will be, just we are printing the name in this case. So I'll come here quickly. Let me give greet is the function name, right? Yeah, greet of name. Let's give Bharadwaj 1. Let me leave the space here. And again, I'll just take one more this thing. Within this one, I'll just take Bharadwaj 2 as well as age. Let me give 30 here. So I'll quickly explain what I have done here. So age, this one, name I have assigned to type string, and age I have assigned this one to the number. Age optional parameter here we are making use of with the age, right? So basically the age parameter is optional here, as we know. And greet of John. So whatever I have written here, greet of Bharadwaj 1, what I have given here, this calls the function without the age. We are calling the function without the age, right? Here you can clearly see I have not mentioned the age, this one age here, so in the numbers, right? So in second, this one a function whatever I am calling here, so greet of Bharadwaj 2 30, whatever I have given here, basically this calls the function with the age included, strictly this one, that is the age that we are including, right? So let's try to run the code. So here we can clearly see hello Bharadwaj 1, because the age is not included here. This one will be logged, right? So hello Bharadwaj 1, here age is included, so we have to get this one hello name, and you are dash are also this one I need to get, right? Why am I not getting here? Just give me a second here. So what mistake I have done here is, so here this one has to be given within the string and this one has to be number, right? So both are considering as string. So it will consider only one parameter, and that's why this within this is logging hello Bharadwaj 2, 30. So let me remove this one here. The string, this has to be within the string, basically name, and the age has to be number, right? The second parameter. It was considering a single parameter. So let me try to run the code again. Just yeah, now you can clearly see hello Bharadwaj 2 we are getting, you are 30 years old. Nothing but here this one, this is printing. If here the age is not here age is defined, right? We have defined 30 and the name Bharadwaj 2. Here age is not defined here, greet Bharadwaj 1. So we are just printing this one. When age is defined, we are getting this one. That's what we have written the condition for, right? So I hope the concept of this one function with optional parameters, this one function with the optional parameters is completely clear. Now I clearly hope that I hope that the concept of optional parameters, optional properties, um, is completely clear. So next we will be discussing on the read only properties. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.